A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it in the chapel. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum with a marching beat. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fish in water cold. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty delight. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging high. N is for nest up in the sky. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin walling around. Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow from A to Z. Come sing along, let's learn the alphabet in this song. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the highway lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too. Y is for yo-yo, spinning free. Z is for zebra, black and white, you see. Now you know your ABCs. Sing it again with fun and glee. From A to Z, you did just fine. Learning letters one at a time.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!